everyone, welcome back to Science for Kids. Today, we're going to build my first ever gaming PC. So, without any further ado, let's hop right in. Alright, this is our motherboard, and this is our RAM, and we have this graphics card, and this is our solid state drive, and our power supply. And last, we have X processor, 6 cores.
2,000 years later.
Apparently, it's a pepperoni pizza with margarita on top. Minus the margarita, and you get no pizza. Okay. It's actually a motherboard. We'll start by adding in this. Alright, now we have our processor. So, currently we have our fan. And also, if you are a fan of this channel, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so now we've removed the processor. We must carefully look at it to see if no pins are bent, because these things have a warranty. Here, make sure the piece won't be bent up. Now I've inserted it in. You can add the fan in. So these springs are kind of like to keep pressure on it. So I'm going to compress them a bit. Perfect. Now they're all equally compressed. So now we're going to install the RAM. So here's our RAM. Done. So moving on to the SSD. We'll get a screwdriver and unscrew this thing. Now, we're gonna put it on the second slot. So, we put it in like this, and you push it until it clicks. So now, we're gonna put the motherboard into the case. Now, we're gonna get these screws, put them into every one of these holes. Alright, so now we're gonna screw in the last screw. Done. Here, you can see that this is where the power box goes, which I will now go and take it out. Here is our power box. So, we're gonna... Okay, so now, let's screw in the final screw. We're good. Now, time to connect the cables. Finish it up. Now we'll get some screws and screw it in place. It's done. Now let's see if it turns on. Remember, whenever you build a computer, turning it on is the scariest part. The fan's spinning, so that's good news. Now I just wait for the LED light. Yes, it works. Yes! Now it works. And I'm gonna go install Windows on it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. And if you want to watch further content, make sure to turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.